This is a short introduction about this Mitsubishi Lancer. We are going to rebuild this vehicle. We will do everything we can to make this vehicle roadworthy. This car has been sitting for several years. We tried to start it, but nothing happened. The engine does crank, but doesn't run. Upon inspection, there is no electricity. We found out that the ignition coil is broken, so we replace it. After putting some more gasoline and attaching some jumper cables to the battery, the engine finally ran. The good thing is that the engine works fine. For that, we are hoping that there will be no serious problems. But of course, that is sometimes inevitable. The interior will be removed and cleaned. The chassis has some rust problems, and we might have some other people repair it. We will try our best to do the rest of the repairs. Some parts might be reverted to stock to make it function optimally. So that's all for this introduction video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.